most of y'all were expecting a flashy, gimmicky video with this exotic here. That's not my style. Tim here, polished by Full Attention to Detail. This is the old logo. This is the new logo. It's time to do an update and let you guys know from 3 years what I still do. The trolls are gonna grab some of these ideas and things like that and try to mimic and do what I do. Good luck. Most of you will fuck up. Good luck. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna point out all the problems with your car and assess what needs to be done.
Okay.
Then in my little magical bucket of sauce, which is no rinse solution, because I have no drains in my shop, and 1 of 2 decontamination chemicals, I'm going to do what the industry calls a hand wash.
Hand wash.
People aren't watching this entire video anyway. Then I'm gonna use a second decon, which is gonna actually pull the things that are starting to embed themselves into your clear coat. That's what starts the pitting process. I'm going to clay it. There's different clay methods, the bars, the pads, the rags, the blah, 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 blah. And then the next stage is rounds and rounds of correcting, getting rid of all of these little scratches and swirls that some see and some don't see. Correcting to make sure that waxes and sealants actually bond to the surface. This also guarantees the surface is prepped and ready, partially prepped and ready for ceramic coating installation. Now that the correction is done, the most important thing is to get protection on it. Now you can get a temporary sealant or you can use a ceramic coating. Know the difference between that DIY stuff and an actual professional one that's going to work and going to last. And those right there, those are all of the little bitty things that I need to take care of. This is what sets me apart from everybody else. Getting that done to make your vehicle look brand new. Doing it with these brushes and these little pads and all kinds of stuff and these microphones. I'm doing it with everything I possibly can. Pay no mind, yeah, this isn't even done yet. Some say I don't do interiors, but that's false. I don't like them, but they still get done here. So come experience what many have throughout the years. Call or text 337-296-5144 or visit fullattentiontodetail.com and see everything I've been doing throughout the years. On the home page, just click on that book appointment button and book your free consultation today.